decision-making body. We commit ourselves to your good hands, even as we deliberate on the matters that affect our country, the development of our country, the progress and prosperity of our country. Help us, Heavenly Father, to make the right decisions. The process of digitization of all government services is going to be part and parcel of the processes of the government of Kenya and part of the delivery of this administration. So I want to congratulate CS Ogolla and team. They can access government. We actualize this, and that the people of, so congratulations.